So what you can also do inside a Photopea is define a new custom shape as you like. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, for just like this, and create a rectangular tool right here. Another rectangular tool and another rectangular tool right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead right here and then select out these tools, and then I'm going to go around and merge them out. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and merge out these layers. So let's say I want to go ahead and turn this into a particular shape. In that case, you can simply go around over here onto edit right here, and then you can go around over here onto define new, and then select out custom shape right here. And then this particular shape has been added onto the custom shape section. So once you go around over here onto this particular section right here, you can go around onto custom shape, and then around over here, you will be able to find the custom shape right here. So let's just go around over here on the top, and you can see the default shape right here. And as you draw, you can see that the custom shape that you defined is actually here, just like this. So you can go around and make your own shape and then define out icons and then let's say, for example, graphics as you like right there. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.